This brand is made in Japan and is available internationally but only through their factory-authorized dealer network. All of the heat pumps feature coated coils for corrosion resistance as well as a powder-coated finish for durability on the outdoor units. They all have built-in Wi-Fi and work with Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands. These heat pumps are very quiet operating and provide cold climate heating, but their guarantee is not very good when compared to other brands. The YE Pro models use 115-volt power and have a 20 SEER efficiency, while the RE Pro models are basic heat pumps that have a 16 SEER efficiency and use 208/230-volt power. The Exterios XE series offers premium heat pumps with a 28 SEER efficiency, while the Exterios series offers a 23 SEER rating. The heat pumps can serve up to 5 zones from a single outdoor unit and can operate in low ambient conditions. They have an integrated drain pump for easier disposal of condensate. The economy functions include energy-saving features such as occupancy and activity sensing. The ClimaPure XE heat pumps have built-in Nano-X air purification technology and a 24.6 SEER2 efficiency rating.